Phenomenology of programming languages and the evolution. The content of programming languages. Introduction. Ampliative and reductive factors matter to the programming languages. Who is correct and who is incorrect? Focuses and actions. Evolution of programming languages. Machine and assembly. Fortran, Lisp, COBOL, Snowball, Algol, Pascal, C programming language. Scheme, Perl, Prolog, Ada, Smalltalk, C++, Java. Introduction. The phenomenology of programming languages and the evolution. For the development of any language, it is essential the phenomenology behind it. It could be a natural language or a machinery language, but human beings has always used it as an artifact to communicate with. As concerning the natural languages, they have been culturally embodied. Human beings use it without thinking of the technology behind it. So its alienation is merely the dream for civilization. As analyzing the language phenomenon to the deep, we discern the thinking pattern and the expression. Both are done via the tool, and it is more than a tool but a partial embodiment. So the desires and the imagination matter in the case of development of any language, and it is also common to the programming language paradigm. Ampliative and reductive factors matter to the programming languages. The development factors are flowing to the programming language from its users and vice versa. Human experience towards the world has been mediated by machines for centuries, and as going deeper we could see the human experience towards the machines has been mediated by programming languages with their ampliative and reductive factors. It is more than a mediation but a conquest over human experiences. This influence can occur in relevance to the following aspects. So efficiency, so portability, so the style clarity, robustness, readability, orthogonality, etc. The set of basic notions available. The range of problems to be attacked by the programming. So the conceptual understanding behind the solutions. The evolutionary factors matter to the language were entirely subjective at the very outset, since it is something beyond the reality but a leap of imagination. Human mind is always ruled by its philosophy over good and bad of the nature. Nature is static in that case, since the only dynamic trend is nothing but human imagination and perception towards the world. So in that case some people is brave to think programming languages as a bridge to the perception, and some could think it is a violation of the real experience to the matter. It is always distancing the users from the machine. In the high-level languages are more reductive in their point of view. Who is correct and who is incorrect? Those who emphasize the reductive factors are the technological dystopians, since they state that the development occurs in advance as new features and attributes added more the efficiency might be in risk, so the ultimate goal could be violated. In contrast, the technological utopians who admire the programming language as the master tool, and they always attempt to see its transparency and the less heaviness. This ambivalent debate has no end point, as we presume, and we hope the best is yet to come. The both factors are important to overcome the limitations arise with programming languages and to enhance the benefits appear. Focuses and actions. The phenomenology is meant to be just the way human beings sense the matter against its inherent nature. The evolution of programming language concentrate on the style which the language itself inclines users to follow. The assertion we made here is nothing but style as dynamic field of activity, since it totally depends on the user of language, and he may use various attributes of programming languages together as realizing the saline and awkward features of those languages in the certain use. So as McLennan states, individual programmers may choose to work against the anxious inclination. Thus, for example, we sometimes observed a programmer writing Fortran in Lisp, that is, writing Fortran-style code in the Lisp language.